Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change language on Netflix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm logged into my Netflix account on desktop, and to get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the top and go to Account. From there, click on Manage Profiles. Now you'll see all the profiles linked to your account. Just select the one you want to update. Once you've clicked on your profile, you'll be taken into the Profile Preferences page. At the top of this section, you'll see Languages. Click on that. Here, you can change your display language, which is the language you'll see across the Netflix menus and interface. Just open the drop-down and scroll through the available options, whether that's English, UK, English US, Swedish, Portuguese, Italiano, or many others, and select whichever one you prefer. Below that, you'll also see audio and subtitle language options. Netflix explains that setting these helps personalize your experience by defaulting to the languages you usually watch shows or films in. If you're multilingual, you can even add more than one option here. Once you've chosen your display, audio, and subtitle languages, simply save your changes, and you're done. And that's it. So that is how you can change language on Netflix. So that's all for this video. Thanks.